It's a Thanksgiving miracle. People are actually gobbling up one particular stock. Let's go to the hot spot, find out which one it is. I find Fred Katayama, my friend, is here. Fred, can you believe it? Research in motion.
Yeah, miracle on Phillip Street, which is where RIM is headquartered. That's overstating the case. Yeah, the stock is up, and the reason is National Bank Financial raises price target to $15 a share from $12 a share, raises estimates on shipments over the BlackBerry 10, saying there's positive sentiment building ahead of the launch of the BB10.
I feel like we just heard something similar about this stuff.
Yeah, deja vu. It's just 2 days ago that a skeptical analyst at Jefferies and Company doubled his price target to $10 a share and raised its rating to hold from underperform.
So this was the stock that nobody wanted to love, Fred. You can see it's up pretty good the last couple of weeks here. What is it about BlackBerry 10? Are people really going to buy the thing?
Yeah, that's a real big question. Jeffrey said the telecom operators have now a positive view of BB10. But even the Jeffries analyst himself says he thinks there's a 20 to 30% chance of success for BB10. That's pretty negative. But investors, as he said, are buying it. The stock was trading at $6 a share in its nadir in September. It's now nearly double that. Wow. But still way below the 144, the peak in 08.
Oh, yeah. Don't bring that up to them.
Perspective, yeah.
Fred, let's move gears to another stock. And I love these kind of stories. It's a he said, she said story. What's the company? What's going on?
Well, the she said, we'll say, is Meg Whitman and HP. The he said is Autonomy, and its head, Mike Lynch. HP is saying that Autonomy basically booked licensing fees before the orders closed. Autonomy is saying it looks like HP isn't recognizing revenues up front. It's all about how you book it. It's about licensing standards. It's about accounting standards. Basically.
Yeah, that's what it's really about, right?
Yeah, there's a difference. There's a gap between GAAP, which is generally accepted accounting principles, usually used in the U.S. and followed by HP, versus IFRP, which is International Financial Reporting Standards, and that is being followed by Autonomy. Well, GAAP is more stringent, but the bottom line is there is no global accounting standard.
Yeah, it's not helping the stock either. It's down a lot since September. Let's take a look at stocks overall. It's Black Friday. It's a shortened trading day on Wall Street. Fred, pretty good gains here.
Yeah, BlackBerry, we're seeing green on the screen. S&P 500 up yet again. It could be the best week we've had since summer because S&P's up more than 3% so far this
Pretty
week.
impressive. How about oil? A lot of headlines in the Middle East.
Yeah, you see oil up. It was up as much as 1% earlier. That's because we're seeing tensions again. This time in Egypt, we're seeing protests, tear gas being fired by police on protesters. Protesters saying that they're accusing President Morsi of launching a coup. They're starting to call him the Pharaoh.
Wow. Yeah. Fred, lucky for you, you're not standing in front of Macy's doing a live shot like everybody else you see when
we've done it before.
We've done it way too many times. This is the obligatory retail stock screen that you have to show on Black Friday. What's happening here?
We're seeing green on the screen here too. Even Best Buy getting some respect. It's up a 0.25%. National Retail Federation expects that holiday sales this season will be up 4.1% over last season, starting earlier and earlier, Rhonda.
Can you believe this on Thanksgiving Day? All right, let's just look at the video of these
They're not even waiting for Thanksgiving. These guys are up a Thursday. These things start.
Well, look, it's like a race to the shopping carts here.
Is this crazy? Hopefully none of these guys will be stampeded. But places like Best Buy, the stock is up. Electronics are supposed to be the biggest seller of the season, especially tablets. So there's some optimism that even JCPenney, the retailer that can't get respect, that stock's up over 1% today.
Yeah, all right. We'll see how it goes. I can't believe these people love these crowds like they do. Well, somebody's got a TV there. She looks happy.
I can't believe that our producer, Hobie Cooper, after the show, she's going to Toys R Us.
I know. She's little. I hope that she can get through those crowds okay.
I hope so. Are you going?
Absolutely not. But I'll think about the people that are there.
My finger's going to do the walking.
Yeah, I like that too. Fred, thanks so much. And for more, you can check out our YouTube channel at Reuters.com/ReutersTV. Follow us as well on Twitter at Reuters Insider. I'm Rhonda Schaffler. This is Reuters.